Hey everybody, Mike here from Marco Designs. Just want to give you a little view of what I'm looking at here in beautiful downtown Manaville. We had some snow obviously. Today is February 15th. It should be President's Day 2021. Just give you a look at my drill press here and my chest of drawers, tools, my table saw under wraps. There you go. Here's some of my products right there. Just showing off a little bit, you know. Kind of cool. Each one is an individual little bird feeder. I just stacked them up like that. Anyway, oxyacetylene tanks there in case I need to burn something up a little bit. My chop saw. And then I'll bring you into the bowels of the metropolitan region here. Not sure if you can see it too good. There we go. There's my 20,000 volt transformer. Obviously that's not plugged in as yet. You can see I have a double electrical outlet there. One is connected to a fan, the other will be connected to the transformer. And my fan here, my fan or a light bulb I suggest is good, so you know the voltage is on and it's applied. And my work area here, you can see I have a nice piece of marble and plastic and wood I'm working on. But you need to keep your marble somewhat dry if you're going to be working, because it will conduct electricity. Let me put you in my holster here a little bit. So before we get going, let me just say, this is a Crooked Finger production. Mike here from Marco Designs coming at you. Today we're going to do a bird feeder of sorts. I'm going to maybe cut a hole in the middle here for a chunk of suet. I already kind of prepped this a little bit. So let's get to it here. I'm going to put my probes on. I'm going to plug it in and apply the voltage, and you can see it goes nice quickly. I already prepped the wood a little bit. I could use, nope, we're doing good. So I'll be drilling holes and cutting grooves and for the birds to put their claws in later on and this and that, but right now I'm just trying to get I don't need to do this, but it's a nice added feature for your product. People have never really seen Lichtenberg before, and it's an interesting deal. I kind of enjoy it. The fan is good also, besides a light bulb if you're outside or whatever, but a fan is good because it keeps the smoke down. You can see the smoke is significant, I guess. I'm in an outside cabin with the doors open. You see, I'll readjust a little bit here. This one's not burning. Here we are. Boom. Start a little something. Something. Depending on what kind of transformer you purchase nowadays, there are some that I've just made for obviously Lichtenberg patterns and things, but this one isn't very old. I'm going to move it again, probe a little bit. If it starts like that, it might need a little fluid, but you can see it's doing good. Just to give you a little burn here, an idea of what it's all about. Obviously, do not try this at home, kids. This is not something for the average person to do. Electricians have done this and died. So, it is a dangerous. I'm going to turn the voltage off. Every time, if you're going to be touching and grooving and stuff, always turn it off. I'm going to try to do, let's see, one here. Let's see what happens. In between, like I said, I'll probably be cutting here later on, so let's give it a try. Voltage is applied again. Yeah, the bottom isn't burning great. You can see the top is nice. Get a good view of that Lichtenberg design. That's a gentleman's name who discovered it in the 1770s. Wood and moisture and high voltage, and this is what occurs, these random patterns. They are quite mesmerizing at times. Alright, so they joined. That's what wants to happen. The voltage is there on the two want to join. I turned it off. I'm going to rebite. Let's see what we get here on this side. I'll maybe just give it a little brush also to re-dampen if I have to. It was a while ago. So this side probably won't have a hole in it. So this will be, well, I can put the hole anywhere I want. I have not tooled that yet. Voltage is applied, and you can see at the moment, you know, it's not sparking, and you think, oh, something's wrong, you know, but no, but the fan is on, and it just may take, you know, 10, 15 seconds, whatever it is. You have to have patience. Don't go touching things. I'll give you another shot of this side here burning a little bit, and then I'll turn the video off, I think, for a moment. I'll finish the patterns on all four sides, maybe show you a little drilling later and some sawing. Try to keep my crooked fingers out of the way. Again, this is Mike here from Marco Designs. Happy President's Day 2021. Just have the fan on low, as you can see, just a little bit of blow to keep it around. I have the doors open to get the smoke out. It goes around the room and kind of out, which is nice. Alright, we got a nice burn going there. Oh yeah, nice. So at times you think the pattern is, oh, it's looking bad and it's not what I want, but then all of a sudden it kind of makes a mojo turn, or whatever you want to say, and then it kind of straightens out. At times I have to regrip and move, you'll see. You know, these tripods I made up so that I can kind of move them around and feel safe. My hands are about 12 inches away from where the voltage is being applied or more. So in case, unless the plastic was soaking wet, then I'm feeling confident. I'm going to turn it off. That was a nice, I stopped it there, you could see. You know, they will want to join, but I like to leave a little bit of the pattern there, perhaps, or whatever. To be honest with you, I think of a boat and having to travel like through coves, and like this is the globe, and you know, people see a lot of things, and that's great. You know, lightning, and oh, you can see it started again. It's gonna probably, all right, we got it is what it is. You cannot, very difficult to control. When I do signage, obviously I just try to wet a small area with a needle pointer or an ear swab, and then the voltage will try to stay on there, but really it doesn't want to. You're forcing it to do that. So, all right, that's a nice deal there. I'm going to stop, and I'll turn the video off at the moment.